Hello, this is Professor Campbell. So I'm going to show you some multiple choice questions and kind of some methodology to how we actually take a look at a multiple choice question. So here's a multiple choice question. We're going to take a look. There's some data in here, but the first thing we look at is what are they asking us to do? So I look at the answer first, the imperative here, calculate ending inventory based on periodic inventory system. So I know I'm looking at periodic inventory system on the LIFO basis. So I have periodic, I have my inventory date, amount, price, cost, and total. I start out with 20,000 at 25 or 500,000. That's my beginning inventory. I added 80 and I paid 30 for it. Did it say it was just during the year? Okay. So 80 times 30 equals, so I have a total of 2,900,000 in inventory. I sold 80, which means that my ending inventory is 20. My LIFO, I'm going to look at the first layers. So my first layer is my beginning. I have 20,000 in inventory, and I'm going to take that whole layer for 500,000. So whatever I added, I sold. I have the remaining LIFO-based inventory. What was last in was first out. Last in, first out, LIFO. What's left is the beginning layers. So I look at the first layers to calculate what was the beginning. Now, part two of this is quick little thing. 85,000 units were sold. Okay, so I have my beginning, and it was 20,000 at 25 or 500, and I added 80 at 30, and I'm going to start truncating these. Okay, and I sold 85, which means that I have 15. I have an ending inventory of 15. So my LIFO, I go to the first layers, go to my first layers, and that's this layer right here. So this was sold, 80,000 was sold, and 5 was sold out of this layer. So I have remaining from my beginning 15,000 units at 25, which equals 375,000. Okay. Does it ask me for my cost of goods sold? Yes, I'm calculating my cost of goods sold. So here I calculated my ending inventory. All right. And the second one, I calculate the ending inventory. In this multiple choice question, that ending inventory number would be there. Why? Because you jumped to the conclusion and you didn't look at the, what am I looking for? I'm looking for cost of goods sold. So cost of goods sold is total cost minus ending inventory cost equals cost of goods sold. Okay, so I'm going to use that formula. So my total cost was 2,900,000 and my ending inventory was 375. So I have a cost of goods sold of 2525 Use your calculator. Make sure. So the answer we're looking for here would be 2525. But believe me, any one of these numbers could have the periodic, the perpetual number. It could have some number from here. You could have any number of solutions. So don't look at the answers first. Find out what they're asking for, calculate it, find that calculation, then look in your multiple choice for the answers. So this is how we do our multiple choice questions. Read the last sentence first, go into the data and find what you're looking for, what solves it, solve for the problem, then look for the answer. Multiple choice methodology using inventory. This is Professor Campbell. Thank you very much.